to my channel, guys. Previews and vlogs. If you've been here before, thanks for all the support. Make sure you hit the like button. And if you have not been here before, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell to be notified whenever I drop a video. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Previews and Vlogs, or you can follow me on Facebook at Previews and Vlogs as well. Alright, so today we're going to be looking at the Kyrie 5 Duke P.E. edition. Now, this shoe dropped in January, and some of the players are already wearing this shoe. So we're going to take a look at it, the details on it, and just overall shoe, period. So without any further ado, let's get with this unboxing. Alright guys, so here is the shoe. Now, I wasn't able to get the shoe in my size. I ended up getting, actually my boy ended up getting a size 14, the Magnum 009. You've seen him on videos with me. You saw him on the video where we did the on-court performance with the Nike Adapt shoe. So on the actual box here, you got the regular Kyrie logo that most of the fives come with. That's because that Hamza hand insignia that he has on his shoulder as well, that's actually what this shoe kind of represents, most of that on the actual shoe, and you'll see that. Let's get these opened up. Now, I did like this shoe. I was gonna get it for myself, but again, I wasn't quick enough on the Nike app. So now as we unbox the shoe, nothing in the box, of course, just basically the regular wrapping on there. Now here we go, take a look at the rest of the shoe. Now on the actual shoe right here, you have, of course, the color, the blue flames going through the shoe right there. And it's got the flexible mesh right on the top. It's breathable, very flexible mesh. On the, going up on the shoe here, you have the Blue Devil logo. Both shoes, of course, on the tongue, you got the Kyrie inspired logo right there. It's for his actual emblem. Inside the shoe, the inner sole of the shoe, the insole of the shoe, I would say, you have on one side, which is the right shoe, you have the Kyrie logo, and on the left side you have his autograph on there with the number 11 on there, which is his number. Now, as we go to the back of the shoe here, you're gonna have pretty much on the one shoe here, on the left shoe, you're gonna have the D for the Blue Devils, of course, and on the right shoe you have the number 1, which is, again, his number in college when he played for the Blue Devils. Down at the bottom there in the insole, you notice that the V there for the number 5, of course, Kyrie 5. As we look at the Nike logos on each side, on one side the Nike logo, the swoosh goes up in the same direction, but one side it feels like a 3D. You could actually feel that logo. It's like a little plasticky logo. On the inner part of the shoe, it feels more, of course, if it was just painted on or just kind of like a sticker right on there. As we go down toward the bottom sole of the shoe, now, of course, you got the blue and the white mixture in there. Says on the forefoot of the shoe, you got the Air Zoom Turbo printed right on there. Now, the Air Zoom Turbo, that's actually a new technology that actually Nike has been working on. It's more flexible than your regular Turbo. It actually has interlocking. If you look at those little, looks like veins going through that. It actually, those things interlock, unlike the regular Nike Air Zoom. So that is to help them out basically with quickness on the actual shoe. So basically it doesn't slide, it grips a lot better. And again, I know that's not on the outsole, that's on the inside part of the shoe, but that's when he's stopping and going, that actually interlocks, helps him interlock in there and give him that cushioning he needs. The bottom sole of the shoe, it's all blue. On the forefoot of the shoe right there, you'll see a small window where you could see actually about a few small windows, 1, 2, 3, 4 small windows, 5 small windows in there, where you can kind of let you see the actual Zoom Air. Now, if you look at that closely, that center part that looks like an eye, that again is inspired off his Hamza tattoo that he has on his shoulder. Same thing as if you look at the arch or the arc of the shoe or the middle part of the shoe, you have it says established in 1992. Now that's his birth year, of course. The Kyrie logo, the pyramid where the eye normally goes in the Hamza tattoo, and of course on top it says established. Now we're gonna go back up to the top of the shoe here. On both of the toes of the shoes, on the one shoe, which is the left shoe or the right shoe, you have the word hungry on there, and on the left shoe you have the word humble. On both of the forefoots, on the inner part of the forefoots, if you look close in there, you have 2 names and birth date. On the right shoe, on the inner part of the shoe, it says Elizabeth 8/13/67. Now that is his mom's birth year, his late mom's birth year, of course, and her birthday, so her name and her birth year. And on the left shoe, you have Azari, which is actually his daughter's name and her birth year, 11/23/2015. So that's actually a nice detail, and that's actually pretty cool in this part to put his mom and his daughter's name on there. Towards the back of the shoe, down to the heel here, you in small print, and there does say engineered to the exact specifications of Kyrie Irving. And now again, this shoe, again, on the back heel, it is very stable. You can actually see how stable that is right there. You have this extra lining on there. It kind of gives it an extra stability for the foot, more structure on there. The leaflets on here, these look like small leaves, but again, that actually, if you look at his tattoo, inspired by that tattoo again. The whole shoe was inspired specifically off of that tattoo that he has on there, that Hamza tattoo. So overall, the shoe looks great. The colorway is awesome. Looks like it's gonna do good. I can't wear these. Again, it's a size 14. So if I have a chance, when me and my boy D Magnum go and play, or Donald go and play, I will have him wear this shoe, and he'll be the one testing the shoe out and seeing exactly how good it is on the court. But that is a quick view and unboxing of the Kyrie 5 Duke Edition P.E. I hope you guys like this video. Again, the shoe is an awesome looking shoe. The colorway, just the details on the shoe, the small little details. It does tell a small story about his tattoo, and it gives you some of his name of his family in there, his mom and his daughter. Pretty much it goes through, that's his college, that's his alma mater, actually the college he played for, the university he played for. They are back, of course, in March Madness, where they're playing here for the Final Four, so hopefully they'll get there and they'll win the whole thing. Alright guys, so there you go. The Kyrie Irving 5 Duke P.E. Nice looking shoe. Love all the details on the shoe with his mom's name and her birth year, and of course the other shoe with his daughter's name. The bottom detail on the sole of the shoe, just the small details to the whole shoe, and how it actually went, and they made it off of his tattoo and incorporated a lot of his pretty much life onto the shoe itself, from his college to his family to the colors of where he played in, and even including they based it off of his tattoo. So let me know what you guys think about the actual shoe, Kyrie Irving 5 P.E. Put them on the comments below. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.